Let me show you how I crafted this powerful resume that landed me my current job and a 6-figure salary here in Nigeria. Hello creative professionals, I'm Solomon, your creative designer and coach from Let's Connect the Dots. In this video, I'm going to take you through each part of my creative resume and show you the exact strategies I use to make it stand out to HR recruiters. For this resume, the first thing the HR recruiter arguably saw was the introduction. So, to make my profile summary stand out and make it count, I started with why by using a strong opening statement that is centered on the brand and not myself. Then I highlighted my skills and experience, reinforcing how to help achieve what was stated in the first paragraph. I tailored it to the job I was applying for. This shows the recruiter that you've done so much research and you're serious about the position and adding value to the organization. Also, don't forget about adding unnecessary information starting from your name, the role you're trying to apply for, the LinkedIn contacts, profile address. That is going to make you accessible at the right time. Next up is the professional work experience session. This is where you showcase your past work experience and demonstrate how it is relevant to the job you're applying for. I used bullet points to highlight my accomplishments and I ensured it is achievement driven so that it can show the recruiter a track record of my success and how much result I deliver. Section 3 shows your softwares and your skills. So this is where you list relevant skills. Ensure they match with the requirements of the job. I made sure to list both my hard and soft skills. Also, due to the nature of the role I was applying for, it is imperative to add the softwares and apps I could use seamlessly and the extent to which I could use them. In the education and certification section, I decided to list my relevant leadership experiences. This shows the recruiter that I'm dedicated to organization leadership and interpersonal skill development in the light of giving back to humanity. But I didn't just stop there. I listed my degrees and relevant certifications. For the trainings and certification section, here I featured the relevant courses and training programs I had completed as related to the job role. Again, this tells the recruiter that I'm dedicated to continuous learning and have strong passion for growth. So you don't really need to go overboard with this, because what matters are not really your certifications but the transferable skills and value you got from them. And finally is the reference, which I decided to make it only available on request. Okay, it's important to know that this resume carried some creative flares due to the kind of role I'm applying for. In the next video, I'll show you how I crafted another powerful resume that got me the previous job too, and it actually fits for all. I hope you've learned a lot, which has spelled your adrenaline to redesign your resume for your next job application. So don't forget to click the link below to get the Canva editable template of this same resume so you can always use it for your next job application.